In this video, we show how to replace an EDSFF drive carrier in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove an EDSFF drive carrier, lift up on the latch and then pull the drive out. To remove the drive from the carrier, loosen and remove the 2 Torx screws from the carrier. And then remove the drive. To install a drive in a carrier, align the carrier with the drive, then replace the 2 Torx screws to secure it in place. To install an EDSFF drive carrier, align it with the system, slide it all the way in until fully seated, and then close the latch to secure it in place. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.